Hey, Chef Pete is here, and you know, this time of year, and what time am I talking about? I am talking about our holiday season. And this time of year, we like to make different desserts. We make desserts that are heritage desserts. We make desserts that are like rice pudding. We make desserts like tapioca. We make desserts like baked apples. But I'm going to make today for you, so that you can see how easy it is, a beautiful apple strudel. Okay, a simple apple strudel that you can make. So you go to the store, you buy a box of puff pastry. It's in the freezer department. Okay, bring it home. Take out of the freezer one of the pieces of the puff pastry, which I have here. I have one, and I'm going to unroll it here. And then what we're going to do is roll this out to about 12 by 16. So you want to get a ruler or something in your kitchen. Okay. So there we have it. All right, and this is not quite defrosted yet, so I'm going to set this behind me. I've got it on a floured board here because I'm going to roll it out, right? Okay, 12 by 16. Now, in this bowl here, what I have prepared already is I've got a can of apple, more fruit. It's a pie filling topping. You can find it in, where the cake mixes are. This is Duncan Hines, but whatever brand, the store brand, whatever you like, okay? And this is low sugar, and it is more fruit. Okay, so, and what I've done is I've taken in this bowl, is I put that can, and I've cut the apples so that they're smaller. They're little smaller pieces because I'm making an apple strudel. I put in here some cinnamon. I put in some cloves, a little apple pie filling, beautiful herbs spice, right? Herb spice. And then I've got some sultana raisins. There's some sultana raisins here, beautiful golden raisins. And about a half a cup, about 3/4 of a cup of chopped walnuts. Okay, so I chop them fine. You can see them here on the top. And then all I've got to do here is take this filling, this is going to be our filling, and mix it up really well here. Get it mixed up really well. And then while we're waiting for our beautiful pie crust, our puff pastry crust to get fully defrosted so I can roll it out, we're going to just let this set and meld with all of our flavors and everything in here. Now, you could certainly do this with cherry filling. You can certainly do it with cherry filling. Yeah, absolutely. So don't think you can't do it with something. It just doesn't have to be apple. So this will set aside, and then we're going to bring our puff pastry over, and we're going to roll it out. Okay, so this is step one, real easy to do. When we get to step two, we'll be rolling out our dough, measuring it, and then getting it ready to fill up with our beautiful filling, and it's going to sit here and meld together with all its spices, right? Okay, so there we have it. This is Peter Carpizzos. We'll see you in step two, making what? An apple strudel. This is Pete out.